Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kavita Roju, the simple and healthy kitchen. Please share my channel and subscribe my channel, press bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you friends, thanks a lot. Everyone wants to live their life happily, and they wanted to improve their life, and they want to grow in their life. So but sometimes we are lack of discipline, or sometimes we demotivate by other people, so we go back. But when you love yourself, when you love your dream, you have to move forward to your life, and always remember your dream is your life. So always have resilience in yourself, and always have courage on yourself and move forward to your life, not by force. Love yourself and do it for yourself, and always inevitable situations come to your life, but you have to face that situation and live your life peacefully and harmoniously. And always don't pressure yourself for your dream. Love your dream and love yourself and move forward to your life. Thank you friends. Please subscribe me and share my channel.